We started using CCH Tagetik supply chain planning. And in parallel to that, we're developing our integrated business planning process so that our S&OP planning and our financial planning are one plan. Financial forecasting and the sales and operations planning processes they run very separately and independently. The problem with that is you may have decisions being made in sales and operations. When you miss your forecast, you don't have the good connections to be able to predict what is going to happen in the future.
So CCH Tagetik helps bring all that together?
Exactly. It's our end-to-end solution to bring all of that together.
Could you imagine your life without it?
I can't imagine my life without it because my life before was without the CCH Tagetik. Very manual and just not really having the visibility that we needed to be able to make good decisions. So it required a lot of extra time and a lot of extra analysis that we don't have to do any longer. The biggest benefit that we have of using CCH Tagetik is getting our whole organization aligned around the same plan, sharing the same numbers, and using the same foundation for all of our processes. We can make changes and I can see what the impact will be immediately. So we can respond faster to changes either in demand or our inventory situation, proactively or preventatively respond to things that could be problems rather than waiting to deal with it after it's already a problem.
So you're nimble, you're flexible, you're fast.
And resilient. We were able to navigate through the COVID pandemic without any production disruptions or without negatively impacting our customers.
So why would you recommend CCH Tagetik?
The biggest reason I would recommend CCH Tagetik is because it's the full suite of end-to-end planning capability. It's innovative, and truly working with CCH Tagetik has been a partnership. We really have worked together as a team.